CAR T-cell therapy is a new and exciting treatment option for patients with certain blood cancers. CAR T-cell therapy is a type of immunotherapy which uses the body's own immune system to fight cancer. Researchers believe this therapy is a major breakthrough in cancer treatment. So, what exactly is CAR T-cell therapy? T-cells are a type of white blood cell. They are part of the immune system and help to protect the body from infection and even fight cancer. Sometimes the immune system doesn't recognize cancer as a threat or is not strong enough to fully fight the cancer. CAR T-cell therapy strengthens the T-cells' fighting power and makes them smarter and better at recognizing and destroying cancer cells. This cutting-edge treatment begins with removing T-cells from a blood sample. Those T-cells are then engineered in a lab using a disarmed virus which builds special receptors onto them. Once the T-cells are infused back into the blood, these receptors allow the newly engineered T-cells to attach to and kill cancer cells, and then summon other T-cells to do the same. The process can take anywhere from several weeks to several months and requires an inpatient hospital stay. It is also important to note that CAR T-cell therapy is only approved for certain blood cancers and only after 2 other types of treatment have already failed. We are among only a handful of cancer centers across the U.S. with this certification, and all of our staff involved in prescribing, dispensing, or administering CAR T-cell therapy have received special training and have extensive experience in managing treatment side effects, helping to ensure our patients have the best possible outcome. Contact us to learn more about how CAR T-cell therapy might benefit you.